Hello everyone, and welcome to the New News Show, the show that brings you good news and warm feelings even though it's hot and sunny outside. I'm your host Vishal Murali, and today for Therapeutic Thursday, let's take a look at two wonderful stories as well as some soothing videos to help start your day.
First up, this sky pool gives the residents of London goosebumps. Next up, this wonderful couple in Los Angeles has been secretly hiding $1,000 in cash in different baby products at some supermarkets. Krystal Duhaney, founder of Milky Mama, learned the struggle of handling expenses relating to raising children and wanted to make a difference for other parents during these times. Now let us take a look at a wonderful drone photography capturing the beauty of the Amazon forest of Bolivia.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification icon so you're tuned to future updates. And like always, signing off for now. Bye!